Until recently, the only way to deal with problems that were caused by loosening of skin, such as jowls, that is the lower part of a person's cheek, especially when it is fleshy or drooping and dangling cheeks, the only answer was facial surgery. After all, while skin rejuvenation treatments can help restore some firmness, once loose skin is present, only a scalpel can truly remove it. Hi, this is Dr. Asima Pati. I'm a consultant maxillofacial surgeon. Today I am going to tell you what do you need to know about a very common procedure called thread lift. However, while the method of relying on injectable chemicals and skin resurfacing until facelift surgery becomes a much needed activity in many patients, not everyone is willing or able to have a surgery. If you are in this group, you will be happy to know that a new type of procedure has been developed to fill the gap between non-invasive facial rejuvenation and facelift surgery. And this procedure is known as thread lift surgery. What actually is a thread lift procedure? It is a type of process in which temporary sutures are used to produce a subtle but visible lift on the skin. Instead of surgically removing the patient's rough skin by surgery, the surgeon simply suspends it by suturing up the portions of it. This has the effect of pulling the skin back a little and therefore lifting and making the face firm. So basically in this procedure, dissolvable PDO, that is polydioxanone, threads are inserted below the skin, tightened and pulled back, resuspending the areas that were loose or sagging. How does a thread lift procedure work? Once the thread is inserted into your body's healing response will begin. Your body detects the suture material and stimulates the production of collagen in the treated areas. Collagen is the protein which is responsible for keeping the skin strong, supple, and healthy. Unfortunately, our bodies will produce less and less amount of collagen as we start aging. However, collagen produced by the body as a response to these threads can fill the gaps in puffy skin and restore your youthful vigor to the face. So, what happens during a thread lift procedure? I'll explain it to you in a step by step manner. First, the areas of sagging skin will be identified and they will be marked by the doctor where each thread is going to be placed. Then, topical anesthetic or the local anesthetic will be applied to your skin to make the procedure pain free and comfortable. After that, a thin needle or a cannula will be used to insert the threads underneath your skin. Once the threads are shaped and molded before being pulled back and tightened. Then the threads will be trimmed to ensure they are secure and invisible inside the skin. The needles are then removed after this procedure. This complete procedure takes around 30 to 45 minutes. You might feel slight pressure or tightening like effect under your skin. Within a few minutes of the needles being taken out, your procedure will be complete and you will be free to go home. After this procedure, you will be able to see a good amount of result almost immediately. The final results you can expect to see in a period of 10 to 14 days of time. The results can last up to 18 months in total. The threads remain in place for about 6 to 12 months, after which they dissolve depending on the patient's age, skin type, metabolism, and lifestyle. After this, the skin's collagen producing healing process may continue for another 6 months on an average. Who can take this form of treatment? The person recommended for thread lifting procedure should be in their 30s to early 50s. A person who is in good health and who is just beginning to notice the signs of aging can benefit greatly from the subtle effects of thread lifting. Those who are unable to have a surgical facelift due to any medical condition that make general anesthesia risky may consider thread lifting as an alternative. Are there any side effects during or after the procedure? Thread lifts are considered a low risk procedure with minimal recovery time, but minor side effects like redness, bruising, and swelling might occur, which are completely manageable. This process can be done in about 45 minutes of time, and if you want, you can go back to work after that. Finding a qualified doctor is a key to get a safe and efficient procedure done. We are proud to offer this treatment at our center. We offer a thorough consultation before the procedure. I make sure the procedure goes safe, comfortable, and the results to be extremely good. Not only that, we give aftercare so that you get the best results for your thread lift treatment. To find out more about the procedure, reach out to us at the number given below. This is Dr. Asimapati signing off as for now. Thank you.